In this section, we are going to create our first virtual environment using spatial.io. Before we begin, you'll need to create an account. You can sign up using either your email address or a Google account. Once your account is ready, go ahead and click on the plus new space button. This will allow you to generate a new virtual environment. You'll see several pre-built templates available. Choose any template to get started. At this stage, it's important to understand something. The overall structure of these templates cannot be modified directly within Spatial. However, you can customize the environment extensively by adding your own content. Once your space is created, your avatar will appear inside the environment. You'll also see basic navigation instructions on the screen. Use the arrow keys to move, press the spacebar to jump, and access different expressions and actions. Now let's talk about adding elements to your environment. Spatial makes this very simple. You can upload content by dragging and dropping files directly into the space. Once your files are uploaded, you can move them using your mouse in a browser or use controllers if you are in immersive VR. You can also use the Add Content menu to integrate external resources, such as Google Slides presentations, or 3D assets from platforms like Sketchfab. Finally, if you want other people to access your space, you'll need to adjust the sharing settings. Go to the Share tab and configure accessibility and the publicity list. You can also edit the title of your space and its description.